judge. That is San Antonio defense attorney Albert Acevedo Jr. says he bribed former district judge Angus McGinty. Now, today's plea is a result of a federal corruption investigation at the Bexar County Courthouse.
It's a story sending shockwaves through the Justice Center today. And News 4 San Antonio's Randy Escamilla begins our team coverage tonight live from the federal courthouse. Randy?
Delane, as a defense attorney, Albert Acevedo Jr. represented hundreds of criminals in court. Today, he is now a convicted felon who admits bribing a state district judge. 60-year-old attorney Albert Acevedo Jr., seen here with the envelope, pleaded guilty today to one federal felony count of bribing a state district judge.
Al, is it a relief? Are you feeling a sense of relief?
Surrounded by a group of journalists, neither Acevedo nor his attorney would say anything after his guilty plea. But federal prosecutors say Acevedo admitted giving $6,600 in gifts and payments to State District Judge Angus McGinty. In exchange for the bribes, prosecutors say the judge made judicial rulings that benefited Acevedo and lenient sentences for his clients. In exchange for his plea, Acevedo now faces a maximum of 10 years in prison and $250,000 fine. Acevedo will be sentenced in June. Now, federal prosecutors have let us know that the FBI's investigation into the Bexar County corruption scandal remains ongoing. Reporting live at the federal courthouse, I'm Randy Escamilla, News 4 San Antonio.
All right, thanks, Randy. We also obtained Acevedo's full plea agreement, which sheds more light on dealings between the attorney and the judge that he claims he bribed. Our troubleshooter, Jay Avila, has been reading the document, and I understand it includes phone conversations as well between the two.
That's right, Beamer. As we've reported, the FBI bugged Acevedo's phone. The conversations reveal how far the lawyer went to win favor with Judge McGinty, acting at times like a personal assistant.
Mr. Acevedo, did you bribe that judge? Will there be other judges before this is all done?
Acevedo says he helped Judge Angus McGinty sell his 1992 Mercedes, and when it didn't sell for the price McGinty wanted, Acevedo says he paid the judge $500 out of his own pocket. I was hoping for some favors in return, Acevedo says. Next, Acevedo claims he helped McGinty buy a 2001 Mercedes, the same type we saw the judge driving when we tried talking to him last month. The attorney claims he paid for repairs to that car, along with registration and a tank of gas, and even had it washed. In return, prosecutors claim Acevedo received favorable rulings from McGinty on 3 of his cases, including an aggravated robbery suspect Acevedo wanted taken off of house arrest with GPS monitoring. Acevedo, he's been on the monitor for a while now. McGinty, right. Acevedo, if I could put him to weekly reporting, he's got no violations. McGinty, sure, call Loop in now, make it so. Acevedo, okay, all right, thank you, Judge. McGinty, all right, brother. Acevedo says McGinty granted the favor without being told the defendant's name, charges against him, or criminal history, which judges usually consider. Acevedo says McGinty reduced another client's sentence who'd been indicted on a 3rd DWI. After McGinty changed the sentence from 3 years in prison to 4 years probation, another attorney congratulated Acevedo, saying, I guess it does make a difference giving people money. Acevedo laughed and responded, it sure does.
We want to point out Judge McGinty has not been charged. He resigned back in February and hasn't commented up to this point. Thus far, federal prosecutors haven't said whether others will be charged or if Acevedo had illegal dealings with other judges. I'm News 4 troubleshooter Jay Avila.
All right,